Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo XC40 sunroof. First, locate the control panel on the overhead console, positioned conveniently above the rearview mirror. This single control manages both the tilting and sliding functions of your panoramic roof. Remember, the vehicle's ignition must be in the on position for the sunroof to operate, ensuring safety and proper function. To tilt the sunroof for ventilation, simply push the control button upwards. This action will raise the rear edge of the glass panel by approximately 2 to 3 inches, allowing fresh air to circulate through the cabin. It's a perfect option for reducing wind noise while still enjoying a gentle breeze, especially at higher speeds. To slide the sunroof open, pull the control button backward. The sunroof will first open to a preset comfort position, which is about 2/3 of the way open. If you desire the full open-air experience, simply pull the control button backward a second time. This will fully retract the glass panel, giving you maximum sunlight and fresh air. To close the sunroof, push the control button forward until the glass panel is fully closed. Your XC40 also features an integrated sunshade, which can be operated independently. To close the sunshade, push its dedicated control button forward. This provides privacy and blocks sunlight, keeping your cabin cool and comfortable throughout your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.